Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we finally have a DIY. I can't remember when I made a DIY video. It's probably like half a year ago. I was just like, I need to throw a DIY out here. But anyways, I'm honestly pretty proud of them. So they look like this. The covers are all made out of a paper bag, which I think is pretty cool and just like recycling, and I like that. And it's just so cute. Anyways, I'm probably rambling on too much, so without further ado, let's get into the video. For all the notebook covers, I use this Adidas bag because it has a really nice color for a recycled looking cover. Guys, depending on your material, cut it to size. For the two normal size notebook, I folded a large sheet of paper in half and glued it. Make the cover fit the paper size you are using by cutting off the excess. Larger notebook, I used half an A4 sheet and folded in half, while the medium-sized notebook I used a quarter of an A4 paper. I'm sewing/tying the paper together so they will stay. To do this, I drew out two dots on the first sheet of paper and poked holes in them. Then I used the first sheet of paper as a stencil to locate the dots of the other paper just by double poking the paper. And so on, aka repeat that. Oh, and don't forget to poke the cover as well. String up the needle. By the way, on my first attempt, I broke this stringing thing. Oh my god. Are you serious? Can you put it back? Well, the answer is nope, I can't put it back. Anyways, don't tie a knot and just string up the pieces of paper like so. Then just pull the string out this way. By the way, this is how you adjust the length. Then tie a bow knot. Yes, until today I didn't know that those knots are called a bow knot and not a butterfly knot. Asians be like. You're pretty much done for the notebook part. Onto the decorating part and my favorite notebook out of all. I searched on Pinterest for neon themed pictures and added in a plant out of nowhere. Yes, of all the randomness, I am the most random. Anyways, just cut them out and you know how a collage goes, hopefully. Basically arrange them. Cut pieces out. Rearrange them. And trim other pieces. At last, glue them. As usual, never ever forget the washi tape. Onto the Horoscope Sue notebook. Mark and poke dots on your design so you can mark it on the cover and poke the holes out for you to sew later. Anyways, cut the string to length, and I would suggest doubling the thickness so you can actually see the string. String the needle through and tie those annoying knots. Go ahead and sew the notebook design. I have to say it is very satisfying when you get to the sewing part. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm lonely. To tie the knot, make a loop. Tie the knot like so. And pull it to tighten it. You might want to tie a few more knots just to make it secure. Me, I draw those other designs, I mean like patterns or like shapes, which I got inspired by this Pinterest picture. I felt like something was missing, so I just wrote the word Stardust because it sounded nice. At last, the matched notebook. I actually found this piece of leftover paper perfectly to size and just folded them up. Of course I did trim it down though. The size I used was 15 centimeters long in total and 5 centimeters wide for the cover. For the paper inside I used 6 by 4.5 centimeters. Anyways, insert the pre-cut out paper. Staple them. By the way, I use such force because if you don't, it won't get the whole thing. Here is me scrolling on Pinterest. By the way, I just happened to search through Pinterest for inspirations these days. I apologize for sounding like they sponsored me for this video. Okay, please don't, it's not sponsored, God. Anyways, I found my design. Washi tape. They never ever forget. Here I added this piece of paper that tells us Adidas used recycled paper to make those bags. I thought it was pretty cool, so I glued that on the back cause why not? That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the button down below for my future videos. Bye!